nose throat. There it is. Oh my god.
You don't care.
That was for you, Sasha. Said hola.
Well, it was vacation photos, and then, oh god, I sound crazy there.
But I bet to dye it to be red for my birthday. That's Lexi. Lexi said, I was like, oh shit, wait, like, I have a dress that I can wear. So. Oh, I guess I do purple drinking water. Yeah, White Claw? Fuck, I can't stop. That's kind of a burp. Every problem. There it is.
Tell me why, tell me why.
Nice. Where's the burp out? Lip gloss all over my freaking face. Do an on-command burp. Where's the burp out? Now it's stuck in my throat. Can you go live on OnlyFans? I don't know. Can't see it weirdly. Lexi! What? Know your facts before you fucking come and try to tell me that I killed somebody. Well, when's the last time Cole's here? After Gavin and I broke up. Which was not that long after you guys broke up. No, it was what? I don't remember. I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Oh my god, my eye. Nice. Thanks.
Look at the cash amount.